Welcome to Module 9, Industry Deep Dives. Digital transformation is reshaping every industry, but the path forward varies dramatically. We will explore how strategies, constraints, and opportunities differ across sectors. This 14-part course is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team and Technovative AI as part of the Digital Transformation Foundations program. Our learning objectives for this module include understanding industry transformation patterns, identifying unique constraints and opportunities, recognizing the impact of technology, discovering cross-industry patterns, and identifying strategic levers for innovation. Digital transformation is universal, yet not uniform. The journey is different for every sector. Understanding these sector-specific dynamics is critical, as the application of transformation principles must be tailored. Industries differ based on customer expectations, regulatory pressures, data environments, economic incentives, and legacy systems. These factors create unique challenges for digital transformation in each sector. We begin our deep dive with Industry 1, Healthcare, focusing on its journey from managing records to providing predictive care. Healthcare's transformation is shifting from reactive treatment to proactive, data-driven care. The convergence of electronic health records, AI, telemedicine, and wearables is creating a more personalized and preventative system. Key drivers include electronic health records for centralized data, AI-powered diagnostics for advanced pattern detection, telemedicine for broader access, wearables for remote monitoring, and predictive analytics for population health insights. Healthcare transformation matters because it enables personalized medicine, continuous care, a preventative focus, and improved outcomes, such as AI reducing diagnostic errors and enabling early, life-saving interventions. Constraints in healthcare include heavy regulation, fragmented data systems, and serious privacy challenges. A common failure is digitizing records without redesigning care pathways, stalling innovation. Next, we examine Industry 2, Finance, focusing on automation, risk modeling, and real-time intelligence. Finance is highly mature digitally, yet highly disrupted by fintech. The industry now embraces AI, blockchain, and embedded finance. Real-time data processing and predictive analytics are essential for competition. Transformation drivers include AI-driven fraud detection, real-time risk scoring, automated underwriting, digital wallets and embedded finance, and the rise of blockchain and decentralized finance. The impact on finance involves operational transformation, with faster decisions and cost reduction, and strategic transformation, leading to better customer experiences and new revenue models based on data as a strategic asset. Finance faces constraints like strict regulatory oversight, high cybersecurity risks, and challenges from legacy core systems. A common failure is modernizing only customer-facing channels, leaving core operations analog. We move on to Industry 3, Retail, centered on personalization, omni-channel experiences, and supply chain intelligence. Retail transformation is customer-driven, demanding seamless, personalized, and near-instant experiences. It extends beyond e-commerce, encompassing inventory, forecasting, pricing, and complex omni-channel orchestration. Key drivers include unified omni-channel experiences, AI-driven personalization for individualized offers, inventory automation, last-mile optimization, and dynamic pricing based on real-time factors. Retail transformation is vital due to high customer expectations for frictionless service, intense competitive intensity with near-zero switching costs, and the need for data to power every strategic decision in merchandising and marketing. Retail constraints include thin margins, high competition, and complex global supply chains. A frequent failure is investing in e-commerce while neglecting supply chain transformation, causing fulfillment bottlenecks. Finally, we explore Industry 4, Manufacturing, focusing on Industry 4.0 and smart factories. Manufacturing's digital revolution, Industry 4.0, shifts from linear production to intelligent, connected systems. This includes IoT, AI, robotics, and digital twins to enable real-time optimization and adaptive supply chains. Drivers include IoT sensors for real-time data, predictive maintenance, digital twins for simulation, advanced robotics and automation, and production analytics for immediate operational insights. Digital transformation in manufacturing delivers higher uptime, lower maintenance costs, faster production cycles, and better quality control. These compound to create massive competitive advantages through productivity gains. Constraints for manufacturing include high capital costs for smart technology, the complexity of integrating legacy equipment, and workforce skill gaps. Transformation often fails when data accumulates unused due to a lack of analytics capabilities. Despite sector differences, successful digital transformation across all industries requires mastering common critical factors. These universal patterns separate winners from those with limited returns. Universal transformation principles include breaking down silos, investing in data quality, adopting AI for decisions, redesigning workflows, building digital teams, and enabling constant experimentation. Transformation must be treated as an organizational change program, not just a technology project. True value requires rethinking strategy, redesigning processes, and shifting culture, which technology enables but cannot substitute for. Each industry has a dominant transformation lever. For healthcare, it's predictive care, finance, real-time risk modeling, retail, personalization and supply chain intelligence, and manufacturing, IoT and predictive maintenance. To identify your leverage points, map your value chain, analyze pain points, assess the digital opportunity, prioritize for competitive impact, and build the necessary capabilities. Learning from cross-industry patterns involves borrowing best practices, such as retailers adopting lean manufacturing principles. It also means avoiding common pitfalls like underestimating data quality challenges or ignoring process redesign. The AI-native future will see continuous monitoring in healthcare, embedded financial services, hyper-personalized retail experiences with instant fulfillment, and autonomous, zero-defect manufacturing in lights-out factories. We encourage you to reflect on these questions. Which patterns apply to your organization? Where does your industry lag? What are the high-impact opportunities? And how are leaders overcoming constraints? What is your AI-native future vision? You can use these prompts to discuss barriers, explore transformation successes from other industries, or pinpoint the most valuable transformation lever in your sector. Our key takeaways are: transformation requires sector-specific strategies. Industry leaders focus on specific levers. Universal patterns exist for success, and transformation is a systemic change to strategy, process, and culture. Now, apply these frameworks to your organization, prioritizing high-impact opportunities. Continue to Module 10, where we will explore organizational change management and the human challenges of transformation.